Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, we're here with a fantastic digital product video. This time we're looking at the bookmark, and this bookmark are so profitable, guys. But obviously, you got to make sure that you do it right. I'm going to go through this video. I'm going to go through researching it, looking at how profitable they are, looking at nice niches to get into. And I'm also going to show you how to design it and get it uploaded on Etsy real quick, guys. All this in the whole video. So if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. And don't forget to share, because we are just sharers over here. Knowledge is power, people, and we gotta have that knowledge. Let's go. Look, this has a search. When I type in bookmark PNG, it has a search of 6,990, right? 6,990, right? All kind of bookmarks. Now listen, guys, I say this all the time. Look, God, what's going on, man? Sorry, I'm laughing because I saw a baby Highland cows on bookmarks too, and they're everywhere. So look, I'm just looking across. You gotta understand something, guys, is that when somebody loves something or has a passion or emotion for something, and it could be, look, there you go, a gnome with flowers bookmark. There you go. This is actually the perfect example. When somebody likes something, whether it be a gnome, whether it be a Highland cow, whether it be sunflowers, whether it be cowhide, whether it be leopard print, whether it be they're patriotic and they like their flag, or whether it be mama designs, or whether they love their dog, or whether they love their cat, or they like bees, or they like honey, wherever it is, then you can create products for all of those. This is what I'm trying to say. So here is an example of a gnome with flowers bookmark, right? Now, bookmarks are these products that the best way to sell them are through bundles. They sell best as bundles. Facts, right? They sell best as bundles. And a lot of these are actually bundles, to be fair. You know, bundles are 20. Look at that. Wildflower bundle bookmarks, right? These are quite cute. Look at these. $1.79 for how many of these? 20? Yeah, 20. So there you go. Quite nice. Nice little video. Remember, make sure you got video on your listing, because that sells X2, sells better, right? Look at these. Really nice. Watercolor, flowery. So this is the thing, but we need to verify. You know, like me, I don't like to guess, so I want to see how much these things are. Obviously, I know about bookmarks, but for the sake of the video, I want to go through the process. So to validate, verify how profitable these are. But what I'm trying to say is they tend to work better as bundles. You know, singular items for small items like bookmarks, not so much. But it's about getting the niche right. It's about niching correctly with these things. So let's just go ahead and go to my gem finder, my nugget finder, the diamond finder, ever be the research tool, the one and only. Check out link in my description, man. Free access to try this out. But we do our research right now, me and you together. Let's find out now. Let's go. So bookmark PNG, remember, it can be anything. Bookmark download, bookmark design. Doesn't have to be bookmark PNG, but I know from this, the digital download. Look at this. This one is a monster. Monster. Of course. Look, the bigger the bundle, the bigger the cash. This is $600, right? I'm just going to look at this one. This is a $600. And I understand the process in doing this. This is a process, right? Where what they've done is here they have mini bundles. So I can actually see it right now. They have given a life access. And listen, lifetime access is not a bad thing to do, guys, by the way. It's pretty cool. But what they've done here is they've given the seller a bunch of smaller bundles within a big bundle. So these are all smaller bundles within a bigger bundle that they're selling, which is a smart idea. I mean, that's 690 plus bookmark designs, which they're selling. They're making about $600 on this. Now, I believe it's on a 50% sale. So actually, it's not as much as that for that big bundle. So it's just showing you, like, this is about volume. This is about volume, right? Here's a 200 sublimation bookmark bundle of 200, making approximately $367 per month with an average conversion of 4.37. Let's look into this a little bit more. Let's just delve into this. Right. So look, again, remember what I said about these type of designs, the general ones. So this seller is going for those designs that people kind of look for, right? Generally, you know, like look, you got the sunflowers. I can see it. You got the leopard print. You got the skull and sunflower there. You got the zebra. Let me see. Yeah, I can see what they're doing. The skulls again, the glittery kind of style, butterflies. Yeah, unicorn is that, or a horse? Yeah. So they're doing that kind of. If you think of it like this, if you're doing 200 bookmarks, right? Think about that like this, and you like one of those. So you might like the dog bookmark. You might like that, or you might like 2 or 3 of those. If you like 2 or 3 of those, and you're probably willing to pay $6.88, even though you're getting a bundle of 200, but you're willing to buy the bundle for those 2 or 3. And that's the skill with this. What they do is when you do a bundle, you want to hit as many different markets as possible so that you have a better chance of selling. And this is the skill with a bundle that actually appeals to many different people. That's the skill with this. And that's why I also believe that bundles in this case work very well. They can work very well as long as your price point is correct. You do a good bundle, and your designs can sort of appeal to many different people. So this one's making $372 per month, but it's on a sale as well. So you got to calculate that, right? So it's not even as much as that. Now, the thing technically about these keywords as well, let's just touch on this. I'll just go into listing tags, right? Now, if you look at listing tags, you can see the bookmark sublimation. When people type it in, there's 66 people that type this in on a monthly basis. There's a competition of 1,547. It has an okay keyword score, not too bad, of 40, right? Bookmark PNG, 150 people search with 5,000 competition, 30 keyword score. So what I'm trying to say is there is a way of getting into this. You can get into this. There is enough room to get into bookmarks, right? It's not fully saturated, but the skill is to make sure that you get into the right design. You know, you could do like a whole bundle of pet bookmarks, for example, or dog bookmarks, or breeds of bookmarks. So think about something that you could do as a sort of niche to get into this. But so, you know, like I said, there is money to be made in this, but I think it's about the volume. And what I mean by volume is a lot of these are making, like, for example, if you go to a specific niche, like this one, this is like a Halloween whimsical one now. So this one is a kind of whimsical Halloween, making around $200 something, right? There you go. Very nice, very cute, 15 printables, making around $200. It is on a sale right now, so you got to calculate that. Now, I can imagine if you do small bundles like that of similar types, and then you do an overarching big bundle, which includes everything, and then put that on a listing, I think that definitely could work very, very well. So have some theme niches on bookmarks, so say 20 or 30 bundles, and then I'll have a big bundle which actually incorporates all of those. If you saw the first listing that I showed you that was making around $600, that's the sort of strategy that they've used for selling these bookmarks. Now, very quickly, how I would actually create these bookmarks is not difficult at all. So let me just show you very, very quickly. What I would do is I'll go to Everbee. I'll go to Etsy, back on Etsy, right? And what I'll do to back on Etsy is I'll buy myself a bookmark template PNG template, right? I'll go and buy a template. You know why? Because they're about $1 or $2. I'm not going to sit around and make like pages of bookmarks, right? It's not going to do that. So what I'll do is I'll type in bookmark template, and literally, look, I'll get myself a template. There's so many of these. Look, like for example, they're very much easy drag and drops. Look at this one. I mean, this one is $5.99. It's got so many different sizes of these bookmarks on different sheets, which you can literally buy a bundle of them where you can drag and drop through, is it Canva? Yeah, Canva. Literally real quick, right? It's so easy, so simple to do. Look, there you go. Look, here's a video. I'll show you this one. I like the way they showed this video, actually. It's quite nice. So literally, this is how it works. You actually get yourself your designs and you drop it into the templates. It's so simple. It's crazy how easy it is. But that's how you do it. That's all you do. You just drag and drop. So that's what I would do. And they're quite small. So, resolution wise, they don't have to be, really, really high. But still, I'll make it a decent resolution. So let me show you real quick. So I'll go to Midjourney now real quickly. Before I go to Midjourney, I just want to see aspect ratio. I'll probably need an aspect ratio of 4:7. Probably works best for this because you need to make sure your aspect ratio is correct. Some people forget to do that. But I tell you what I liked. I like these watercolors, these watercolor flowery ones. Okay. Watercolor landscape. These actually I saw these landscape ones in countryside. I'm gonna say countryside. I could do a whole like a little collection of countryside landscapes, right? And then I'll do aspect ratio AR. Oops. AR. I can't remember what that aspect ratio was. What was it again? 4:7. Right? Aspect ratio 4:7. Yep. 4:7. Boom. Let's go. Show me something. Show me something, please. Show me a nice design. Yeah, so watercolor countryside landscape. Now listen, I've gone very, very minimal. I would look. I'm doing a video and I want to be quick, but I'll definitely add a few more detailed bits if I wanted to, right? And if I was going to do a collection, then obviously I would do it. Yeah, I'll definitely do like a few more different wordings or prompts. These are quite nice. Okay, not too bad, mate. Not too bad. Some of these are lovely. Look at the second one. Oof, with that lovely autumn flavor. Autumn flavors. Yeah, autumn flavors. Now, to be honest, as a sort of, you don't have to go upscale by 4 because I believe that size for something that big, upscale by 2 is sufficient, really. But I don't know. I like to just always upscale quite a lot because I just rather upscale higher than lower. You know what I'm saying? So you could do 4, but you know that the file's gonna be quite big. Their files are gonna be big. I think upscale 2 is sufficient for this. So then you'd upscale it, and then once you upscale it, you save it in your documents, right? Make sure, remember, upscale it. So look at that, it's actually gorgeous. So save image as, save in my downloads, boom. And then what I'll do is I'll go Canva. Go to Canva, man, because I think for this one it's perfectly fine to do it this way. Obviously get your, okay, so you'd get your template maybe that you bought or you created. You can actually create these actually quite easy in Canva as well. So get your design, upload your design. Once it's uploaded, find it, and literally that's it. Put your design in there, and there you go. Simple as that, right? And obviously you can duplicate, do loads of these, or if you're gonna get pages of the template, it's quite easy, and just do a whole bunch of these, right? And then download it, right? Quite simple, quite straightforward. Nothing really to this. It's the simplest thing ever. But my thing is this is what I'll do. I just want to very quickly show you something before I go, and it's about the verification. And this is what I'll do. Go to keyword research. Very quickly, this is what I'll do. So remember, go to Everbee, go to keyword research, go to bookmark PNG, right? Now, this is where you want to identify what are the good niches to get into, okay? So you can see it's not too bad, 150 a month. This is when you type in bookmark PNG, right? But if I just type in bookmark, if I just copy this, right, for a second, go to copy, go to filter, and then go to keyword. Include that in my keywords, paste it in, and then what I'll do is I'll go to a minimum keyword score of 50. And I'll tell you why. Because I want to find those real unsaturated ones, right? So here we go. Now what I've done is you can see already that I've identified a few really good niches just by doing this, right? It's so quick. It's so amazing. Now look, bookmark PNG bundle is actually a keyword score of 100. which means that if you do a bundle, you have a likelihood of selling, right? Although the volume is not massive, but you got to remember this is not the only volume. It's not just 28 a month that are searching for this. There's different ways of searching for a bookmark PNG bundle. Different. You might say bookmark bundle PNG. You might say bookmark digital PNG. But you know that that number is pretty good. Okay. The other thing I'll say is when you look at other words like Halloween bookmark, Halloween fantasy bookmark PNG, Halloween bookmark, they seem to also have some very good keywords. Now, if I just take away even PNG, right? I mean, that's going to open up even better. It's probably better to do that. But you'll be able to see that there's even more. So here now you can see that I'm getting some more tips, and you can see some more ideas, should I say, where things like fantasy bookmark PNG is quite a good one. You got retro PNG is a good one. You got Halloween PNG is a good one. And this is what I'm trying to say. You really need to do your research first to actually find what is a good niche to get into, okay, before you actually design it. And don't just design because you like it. Design because it's verified and it's validated. So guys, that is it really. That's what I want to show you. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share because we love that sharing stuff and you know how we do. Take care. See you on the next one.